Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. I thank all the subscribers. I have taken a JEE main question based on definite integral. This question is evaluate the integral t power 4 plus 1 over t power 6 plus 1 with respect to t from limit 1 to 2. So only thing is we have to break this numerator so that we can be able to do this. So let's see. If we'll see the denominator, it t to the power 6 plus 1, it can be factorized into t square plus 1 into t to the power 4 minus t square plus 1. So t power 4 plus 1, the numerator, I can convert in term of factor of denominator like this. So plus 1 negative t square and plus positive t square. So writing the numerator in this way, t4 plus 1 minus t square plus t square, and the denominator in factor form t square plus 1 into t4 minus t square plus 1 whole dt. So we'll make into 2. One is 1 to 2 t4 minus t square plus 1 over t square plus 1 into t4 minus t square plus 1 dt, and second one is only t square is left over these two terms, but I'll keep this in original form. Now you will see the integral 1, these two are cancelled. Integral is 1 is becoming only dt by t square plus 1. These two will be cancelled, and integral 2 equals to 1 to 2 t square dt over t6 power 6 plus 1. First one is very easy because we can put the direct formula, that will be tan inverse t from 1 to 2. So tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So this will be tan inverse 2 minus pi by 4. For integral 2, I'll take t cube as your y, then t power 6 equal to y square, and 1 by 3 t square dt. T square dt will be 1 by 3 dy. So I2 will be 1 by 3 dy over y square plus 1. This is same as your 1 by 3 tan inverse y. Tan inverse y equals to 1 by 3 tan inverse t cube. And this is from 1 to 2. So I2 equals to 1 by 3 tan inverse 2 cube, that will be 8 minus tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is again pi by 4. So 1 by 3 tan inverse 8 minus 1 by 3 into pi by 4. Now the sum of all the results I1 plus Y2 equals to tan inverse 2 minus pi by 4 plus 1 by 3 tan inverse 8 minus pi by 12. This was 4 by mistake. I have taken 12, it will be 4, sorry. So it should be pi by 12. So total result will be tan inverse 2 minus pi over 3 is of course 1 by 3 tan inverse 8. So thank you for watching.